Football videos are dominating YouTube right now, and creators are making thousands of dollars from this niche. But today, I'm going to show you something even more powerful. Instead of just creating football content, we're going to build an entire premium football brand using AI. From logos and football boots to jerseys, brand kits, and social media designs, we'll create everything with one incredible tool, so let's get started. First of all, I've already prepared a powerful master prompt for you. This prompt includes everything needed to build a professional football brand, including the brand name, football team name, slogan, color palette, logo style, country, headquarters, target audience, brand personality, premium design language, and every other detail required to create a complete luxury sports brand. I call it the Viral Football Brand Kit Master Prompt, and you'll find it in the description below. For this tutorial, we'll be using LoveArt AI, an all-in-one AI platform capable of designing complete brand identities. You'll find the link in the description. Simply sign in to your account, and once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a skills book on the left side. Click on it, then navigate to branding, and select logo design. Now copy the master prompt and paste it into the LoveArt AI agent box. Before generating, make sure the logo design skill is selected. Once everything is ready, click Generate. LoveArt AI will begin analyzing the prompt, thinking through the branding strategy, and generating professional logo concepts. By default, the AI creates multiple branding assets, but for now, we only want the logo, so simply type, "Generate only the logo first." Within a few moments, you'll receive several premium logo concepts. Review them carefully, choose the one you like the most, and click the selection checkmark. Then ask the AI to refine that logo further. It will generate an even more polished, premium quality version based on your selection. Once the logo is finalized, it's time to create a matching custom inside LoveArt AI. Go to the font generation section, click Upload, and choose Select from Canvas. Upload your logo and write a short description such as premium, luxurious, modern, bold, minimal sports typography. Click Generate, and within seconds, LoveArt AI will create a custom font that perfectly matches your logo's style and identity. Now it's time to build the complete brand kit. Select your finalized logo and simply instruct the AI by saying, "Please make a complete brand kit." Initially, the AI may generate separate images for shoes, jerseys, accessories, and branding materials. However, if you want everything combined into one professional presentation board, simply tell it, "Please give me an all-in-one complete brand kit." Within a few moments, LoveArt AI will generate a stunning brand presentation that includes your logo, color palette, typography, football boot collection, team jerseys, packaging concepts, accessories, brand patterns, website layouts, and much more, all organized into a single professional branding board. Once you're happy with the result, export the brand board as an image or PDF. Then return to the LoveArt AI homepage and click on Brand Kit from the left sidebar. Select Create a Brand Kit, upload the brand board you just generated, and let the AI analyze it. It will automatically extract your logos, colors, typography, photography style, and other branding elements. Click Import, and your official AI-powered brand kit will be ready. If you'd like to customize it further, simply upload your final logo manually, adjust the brand colors, or add your custom font from My Fonts. Once everything looks perfect, click Create a Project with this kit. LoveArt AI will now understand your complete brand identity and use it consistently across every future design. Now comes the exciting part. Let's create professional social media posters. Inside the project, simply type a prompt such as, "Please create premium posters for Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube using this brand kit." Click Generate, and within moments, LoveArt AI will produce stunning platform-specific promotional posters that perfectly match your branding. Need to make a small edit? No problem. Simply click Edit Text. Replace any existing text, for example, changing Built for Speed to Built for Quality, and click Generate again. The AI will update only the text while preserving the entire design, layout, and branding consistency. Oh my God, it even changed only the text perfectly. The original text said built for speed, and with just one click it became built for quality while keeping the entire design exactly the same. That's seriously impressive. Now let's move on to one of my favorite features, creating AI advertisements. Simply click on any image you've created, then switch to the video section. First, select the image you want to animate or upload your own. After that, choose a character from your asset library so the same character remains consistent throughout the ad. Then upload your brand poster or any branding image you created earlier. Next, choose your video settings. Set the duration, select a 16:9 aspect ratio, choose the quality, and then pick your preferred AI model. You'll find several powerful models available, including Cadence 2, Kling, VO 3.1, and many more. Simply select the one you like and enter a prompt such as, "Please create a UX-style advertisement for my brand." Then click Generate, and the AI will start creating your video. Cadence is incredibly fast, so within a few moments your advertisement will be ready. And honestly, wow! Just look at the result. The AI creates smooth, cinematic scenes, beautiful transitions, keeps the same character throughout the video, and produces a professional-looking 8-second UGG advertisement that looks incredibly realistic. I was genuinely impressed with the quality. Once you're satisfied with the result, simply right-click and click Export to download your final video. So today, you saw how we used Levart AI to create an entire football brand from scratch. We designed a premium logo, generated a matching custom font, built a complete professional brand kit, created social media assets, and even produced a high-quality AI-generated UGG advertisement, all inside a single platform. If we take a look at Levart AI, you'll also find many other powerful tools inside the skills book, including options for branding, social media, e-commerce, video creation, and much more. It truly is an all-in-one AI platform for creators, marketers, and business owners. When it comes to pricing, Levart AI offers multiple plans, including Starter, Basic, Pro, and Ultimate, so you can simply choose the one that best fits your needs. You'll find the official Levart AI link in the description below. Start building your own brand today. Create professional marketing content, and turn your ideas into a real business with the power of AI. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.